Hi, I'm JL De Los Santos, point guard of the JRU Heavy Bombers.
Hi, I'm Tyrell Lu, shooting guard of the JRU Heavy Bombers.
Ryan J. Arenal, center of the JRU Heavy Bombers.
Rai De La Rosa, guard.
Rebound, doon ako mas nakilala sa rebound.
Para sa akin, block. Mas magandang highlight yung block sa rebound.
Rebound. Kasi mas magandang efficient yung rebound kaysa sa block.
A block. It's always fun to see a good block.
Assist. Mas maganda kasi yun, dalawang tao yung napapasaya, yung umi-score tsaka yung naka-assist.
Assist. Para pogi kaming dalawa.
Assist. Dahil pag nag-assist ako, masaya rin yung assistan ko. Dahil makakashoot siya.
Assist. Assist makes two people happy.
Defense. Kasi sinabi kasi ng mga coaching staff namin na kapag maganda yung depensa, doon kumukuha ng opensa.
Defense. Kasi yun yung foundation ng JRU Defense to offense.
Defense. Defense wins championship.
Defense. That's where you win championships.
Championship. Kasi mas maganda yung team award kesa sa individual.
Mas pipili ko champion kasi hindi naman individual ang basketball Team sport siya, kaya champion.
Championship. Dahil yung MVP nakakalimutan yung championship hindi.
Championship award all the way.
Iniimbitahan ko ang JRU community, mga Rizalian na supportahan kami sa darating na season. May game kami sa September 24 versus Letran. Supportahan nyo kami.
Ini-invite ko yung mga JRU. Manood po kayo sa incoming NCAA Season 99. Supportahan nyo po kami.
Mga Rizalians, in-invite ko kayo sa darating na opening ng Season 99 ng NCAA. Sana po supportahan nyo ang JRU Heavy Bombers dahil tayo ang host school ngayon ng NCAA. At gagawin namin ang lahat ng best namin para makuha yung panalo.
To the Rizalian community, please come out, support us Heavy Bombers. All throughout this NCAA Season 99, we're here to make you guys proud and mabuhay Rizal.